Hi students, coming to the second exercise of the chapter sets. This exercise is very easy. I'll explain you four definitions only. One is empty set. The definition is easy only, but representation when you write this is very important. Empty set is nothing but the set containing no elements. Okay? If the set contains no elements, we call it as null set also. Okay? And it can be represented like this or this. This is called phi. We call phi, and it is a null set. But writing both, this is wrong. We should not write like that. Okay? Now, this is about empty set. The set containing no elements. Now, equal sets. What are equal sets? Suppose if the set is containing A, B, C, D, if the set is containing D, B, C, A, those are equal. That means all the elements should be, the order is not important. All the elements should be there in there. Suppose one is RAVI, the other one is IVAR. Of course, this is a set. These are equal sets. Suppose A, B, C, D, B, C, D, E. These are not equal sets. That means the sets, two sets are said to be equal sets only if all the elements of one set are there in the other set. Okay? Next, finite sets and infinite sets. Very simple. Finite set is nothing but countable, and infinite set is which we can't count. The set containing finite number of elements is called finite set, and the set containing infinite number of elements is called infinite set. Finite is nothing but which we can count. Infinite is which we cannot count. So let us start exercise 1.2. In 1.2 exercise, the first one, which of the following are examples of a null set? That means which don't have any numbers. I'll read out each and every question and I'll teach you. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Null set. There are no natural numbers which are divisible by 2. Set of even prime numbers. It is not a null set because there is one number which is even and which is also prime. So it is not a null set. Third one. Natural numbers less than 5 and greater than 7. How? Less than 5 and greater than 7 cannot happen simultaneously, no? So it is a null set. Point common to any two parallel lines. How a point will be common to any two parallel lines? When two lines are parallel, they will never intersect. When they don't intersect, the common point also does not exist. Okay? Next question. Which of the following are finite and infinite sets? The set of months of an year, it is a finite which we can count. And 1, 2, 3, so on infinity. So on, it means it is tending to infinity. So it is an infinite set. Third one is a finite set because we can count that. Fourth one, positive integers greater than 100. No, we can't count because they are infinite. Fifth one, the set of prime numbers less than 99, which we can count. So it is a finite set. Third one, state either it is also finite or infinite. The set of lines parallel to x-axis. How many lines will be there? Suppose in a coordinate axis, if it is x-axis and if it is y-axis, how many lines are there parallel to x-axis? Can you count? Infinite. Infinite lines will be there. And the set of letters in English alphabet. In English alphabet, how many letters? 26. It is a countable, so it is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5, it is infinite. Because there are infinite number of numbers which are multiples of 5. The set of animals living on the earth. Set of animals living on the earth, can you count? No. According to me, it is infinite. So if you can count, you can write it as finite. But we can't count them. Okay? The set of circles passing through origin. Suppose this is origin. How many circles will pass through this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. How many you can draw? You can draw infinite number of circles. Okay. In the same way, in the fourth question, they are asked they have asked us to check which are equal sets. I think you can do this. A is equal to B, no doubt, in the first question. In the second question, 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 16, 18, it is not equal. A is not equal to B because 12 is not there in B and 18 is not there in A. In the third question, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is expressed as a set builder form, even integer less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is right. So both are equal. Fourth one, multiple of 10, B, it is not multiple of 10, 15 and 25 are there. So we can't take it as a multiple of 10. So A is not equal to B in fourth one. Fifth question, are the following pair of sets are equal? It is also equal. A, 2, 3 and the other one is x square plus 5x plus 6. See, is equal to 0. This is 2, 3 and the other one is x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You might have learned to factorize this in your 10th grade using any method. I am going with splitting the middle term. So x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. So it becomes x plus 2 into x plus 3 equals 0. One is x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 3. So here it is minus 2 minus 3 and here it is 2, 3. So these are not equal. Okay. Next one. Letter of the word follow. So second question. Letter of the word follow. F, O, L, W. B. Letter of the word wolf. W, O, L, F. Both are equal sets. In the same way, sixth one, this is, you take this as exercise so that you can do of your own and get back to me if you have any doubts in the sixth one. All the best, guys.